fucking with you, don't know how to love.
Hi guys, so it's part 2 of the apartment vlog. And finally got our couch in. They just been like on me about building it. So now we're gonna finally build it. How you feeling?
Oh, good.
Good? Alright.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me.
All of the materials inside, but this is one side. There's 3 parts to it.
Treat me like corduroy, baby, I'm arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, heavy reminiscence. Heavy on the missing, I wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the universe, lost in no finding us.
Alright guys, so we finished with the first part. I had to take out the couch. We put in this time till we're doing it with the other 2 pieces. It's like a U type of couch. But catch up with you guys. This is the same side but on the other side. So we'll see you when we get to the apartment.
And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
It takes 24 hours for it to become fluffy, but I'm already thinking about going to Burlington, TJ Maxx, or fucking Ross, and getting some pillows for it. And then we still need to push it back, right? Hi guys, so it's a few days later. Finally got some boxes. These boxes are the entry table. They're the entry table. And this right here is the curtains, but I'm waiting for all the bathroom stuff to come in a few days. Yeah, it is a mess. A little mess, but we'll clean it.
Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. No missionary getting boring. Switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No, no.
Oh, maybe just built the first part. Gonna build the second one. It's because it has to do with screwdriving. And he got it. He got it. Oh, we got majority of it down. Just need to put these last screws and then stand it up. We're gonna get the table and put it over here. No, you can get it. Alright guys, so I got a pink drink. We're doing the coffee table tomorrow because we're tired.
You can do the curtain now.
No, but I want to wait till I got all the bathroom stuff because it's coming on the 8th.
The curtain?
All the bathroom stuff that I bought for the bathroom.
You
don't know, right? What I got? Let me show you. Alright, bye bye guys. Hi guys, so it's about 2 days later. I took out my stuff. My trash can. I packed it. And I got like these little, these little containers to put up there. I got like about 4 of them. The English sticker came out a lot cuter than what I thought for it. I thought the stickers already came on it. Basically, it's like body wash, shampoo, conditioner. I wanted a 3-piece set one. It's the one for the toilet. The toilet. This is I think this is the bigger one. This is the tinier one. Okay, so we're finally gonna set up this bathroom. I'm gonna start first with the mats.
baby. Heavy reminiscing, heavy on the missing. You wish it was even what it was. Up and down, baby. Lost in the line of us. Lost in the finding us. Up and down, baby. And if you wonder,
I don't know what to put in these three. So till then, we got one. Then I'm thinking of one here. And then these two here. Whatever decoration in the middle. And something in the top. I got extra toothbrushes, but till then, I can also stack the toilet paper there. That don't look cute. No. Anyways, I got these body shampoo stuff. I need to put the sticker on it. I'm not sure if you'll see it. Okay, so this is a toilet paper thing. But I think I'm gonna put tissues, then have them there, and then I just need to decorate these two. They look so nice.
and if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel.
Yeah, it's kind of a lie though. Anyways, first we're gonna start with the body wash, which I just got the lotion right there. But I think I can place the lotion on the second one. Place the lotion on the second one. Anyways, that's what it's looking like. We filled it all up. And this is now the view looking into my bathroom. Still gotta fill that one up. Gotta put these away. But yeah. So we finished the coffee table. We left it up. Could lift it up. There's also some storage inside. But yeah, that's it. Anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this appointment vlog part 2. Make sure to watch part 1 if you haven't. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Anyways, keep on continuing this journey. Bye.
Family in the quarterback.